The views and opinions expressed on any program are those of the persons appearing on the program and do not necessarily reflect the views and opinions of the New Media Factory. Some programs on this network might include strong images and language and may not be suitable for all audiences. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hi!
Hi!
Dahil pinag-usapan eh. So, as you can see, wala pala tayo ng 1 week, no? So, welcome back to the show.
Ba't nga ba tayo?
In solidarity with the relief efforts. Nag-air lang tayo the week after para lang i-push yung ways to donate. Tapos pinag-usapan natin yung mga, pinag-usapan natin yung pinadala mo, yung mga Google Plus, yung paano tumulong yung different tech companies. Pero now we're back. Pwede pa rin kayo mag-donate. Kailangan pa rin nila. So kung pwede kayo mag-donate through text or different...
Dami na ngayon. Actually, I'm getting text messages from both telcos na you can actually donate your load and they'll convert that into cash.
Yeah. And there are a lot of events and parties na naglalagay na rin ng mga donation bins. Even malls have big boxes.
And future events.
Actually, yung mga stuff na hindi mo akalain na kailangan, kunyari, toys, which is very important siguro for the mental and
ngayon, meron
mental recovery of the kids.
Sila Noemi, sila Mom Blogger, they're doing like a teddy bear drive.
Meron nga ako nakita.
Kanina, si Alicia
medyo nag-stick lang parang panty drive or something.
Panty drive. Ay,
nakita ko yun, diba?
Panty drive.
Hindi mo akalain na...
So, lahat na lang ng kailangan, diba?
Kanina si Alicia
Keys. Nandun.
Pumunta ng Villamore Air Base, nagbigay ng crayons, drawing.
Diba?
Nagbigay ng panty.
Grabe.
Kanina,
pero bago siya
Hindi, kasi yung context nagsimula.
Suot niya, ganda.
But anyway, so thank you kay Alicia Keys. Congrats pala kay, of course, kay Pacman. Masarap ng pakiramdam. Grabe, first time kong maiyak. As in, naiyak ako.
All is right in the world again. Parang panalo na si Pacquiao ulit.
Parang tsaka nakakala may kumalat kasi ng mga text from people from Leyte na dinidescribe. Tsaka pictures. Kung how it was there. Nung nabasa ko yung isa na talaga nagsisigawan daw yung mga tao nung nanalo. Grabe, doon talaga ako medyo naluha. No? Imagine may feeling na parang talagang inaasa doon.
Yun naman talagang people's champ talaga si Pacquiao.
Ganda ng timing. Tapos ang ganda ng sinabi ng isa kong friend, parang his last 2 losses even gave it more meaning.
Correct. Kasi
manalo siya ngayon.
Kabado. Ako kabado ko noon. Ako din. Never nangyayari yun dati.
Di ba alam mo, panalo talaga eh.
Kasi parang pumatalo pa siya dito. Wala na, parang
But anyway, so again, congrats kay Congressman.
Pero natuwa ko doon sa part na buntikan na siya mabuhat
Ay, yung parang wrestling. Pero ang dami ng weird stuff. Di ba sinipa pa ni... Sino yun? Ni Ariza.
Before the fight. The week before the fight.
Speaking of, may lumabas na article sa PEP. Si Chavit Singson naglabas ng statement. Dapat daw ipakain sa tigre niya si Ariza. Medyo dapat sineseryoso pag si Chavit siya nagsasalita.
Kasi killer talaga.
So mag-ingat tayo. But anyway, sorry. Ang dami na pinag-usapan. Si Alora is not with us today because...
Yes, because of course, as we all know, she's working with Yahoo Philippines and right now they're organizing Yahoo Technostorm, which happens this week. That's November 29 to December 1 sa Market. So what we can expect there is syempre exhibits by different tech companies and phone manufacturers. So Samsung, HP, Globe, Smart & Son will be there, Cloudphone and MyPhone then. So Cloudphone and MyPhone, I think, sabi ni Alora, they will both be launching new phones or 1 phone each at least at the event. May mga special gadget deals din doon. There's also a keynote speech by hindi ko na ko yung pangalan pero
may keynote
sales director for Yahoo Philippines. There's also a Gran Turismo tournament for our gamer viewers.
So this weekend then?
Correct, this weekend.
Sa Market.
And Technostorm actually was started by Yahoo Philippines last year.
Phone photography workshop.
Ayun, di ba?
May phone photography workshop?
It's the only event of its kind organized by Yahoo.
Commercial photographer Winston Baltasar.
Sino yun?
Medyo kilala siya sa commercial field on photography. Pero in how to maximize your smartphone for photography.
So guys, kung wala kayong magawa sa weekend, punta kayo doon.
Of course.
May bayad. Yung sinisingil na lang malaki, manufacturer. Sila kumikita, which is good for consumers, at least libre for them. So sa market yan. Last year, it was at SM North EDSA.
Trinoma. Activity Center. Yes.
Trinoma, parehong mahirap puntahan. Kasi ang layo. Okay lang siya sa mga taga-North, pero tulad natin.
Pero ang SM North ang yun ang parang bagong Green Hills eh.
Correct.
Diyan ang patayan ngayon ng tech eh. Kung wala ka dun, mahirap eh. But anyway,
market, at least, diba?
Fourth. Sa gitna. But anyway, so again guys, don't forget to go to the Yahoo Technostorm this Friday. Okay, games, simulan natin. Meron kami isang napaka-cute na gadget dito.
Sinabi.
Si Iso nang mag-explain. This is the Touch Play 5. So ito yung box. Pwede ba natin zoom in yan? Zoom in now.
Hi.
Lago na. Okay, so yan, nakita nyo. So it's actually speaker siya na wireless pero hindi niya ginagamit Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or NFC.
It just uses itself.
So ano ibig sabihin nun? So anyway, so ito yung nakikita natin box. Ito yung actual speakers.
Oops. Sorry. Yeah. Actually, yung speakers na sa taas.
So napansin nyo, wala siyang dock Wala siyang dock eh. So wala kang plug talaga for this one. Talagang ipapatong mo lang. Tapos Ison, pwede ba explain mo how it works?
Okay, basically, nakikita nyo itong part na to, may konting sticker. Ang nakalagay dyan sa kanya is Near FA. Kasi meron tayong parang...
so near FA?
Near FA.
Hindi near fa?
Hindi, hindi siya near fa.
Kasi yun yung tatak eh.
Near Field Audio.
So, yan yung tawag sa technology.
Yeah,
near field audio.
Yeah. So, basically, ang speakers, di ba, may magnet. Nagbabibrate siya. So, if you look at the speakers, parang nagbabibrate siya up and down.
Parang nanginginig.
Yung itong part na to ng unit, kinukuha niya, magnet rin to. So, kung negative sa kabila, na i-push na itong pa-forward, eto, mag-playback.
Basta nakukopya niya
yung sound. So, kung nakukopya niya, through magnet yung
so, pwede ka kaya sumigaw dyan.
So, any sound naman is via
yun pa.
So, i-demo natin.
Sound frequency or magnet.
I-zoom out natin Ayan.
Pwede bang i-play?
Hindi ko alam bakit Panic at the Disco yung
Galing
Actually, any unit gagana dyan.
Alisin natin
Any device, no? Pero yun nga, kailangan yung speakers yung nakatapat dun sa
Any device gagana.
So take note, walang NFC yung iPhone 5 at wala akong case sa phone ko. So wala.
Galing
Okay siya
Alam mo, kahit in-explain mo, hindi ko pa rin maintindihan paano siya gumagana. Na ganyan kaganda, di ba? I mean, kopya-kopya sa...
True.
Pero ang galing Salisin mo ulit.
Mawawala. Diba? Pero basically, it's really designed for iPhone. Pero gagana pa rin ibang speakers. As long as ma-position mo na maayos yung magnet ng speaker mo.
Kahit anong... Pause nga natin.
Gagana naman siguro sa night yan, di ba?
Sige, testing natin sa iba. Ano ba ito yung pause?
Uy, iPhone yun.
Yeah. Ito, yung Xperia Z1.
Xperia Z. Pero yung sounds hindi ganun kabuo kasi depende pa rin kung paano mo idikit yung speaker yung unit ng phone mo. Doon sa mismong base station.
Ako din. Gagana ba Nokia dyan?
Bakit ka siya? Masyado mataba.
Masyado mataba.
Tingnan natin.
Alin 1020, naka-USB kasi yung camera
Testing nga natin kung gagana. Patugtog tayo ng...
Tama na sa baba naman yung speakers yan
Sige, patugtog tayo ng...
What?
Ano daw?
Baliktad. Ayan pala. Ayun.
Yay!
Pero basically, it's a near field audio or magnetic yung
Ba't hindi siya sumisikat? Recently lang ba yan? O matagal na yan?
I think it's one of the most convenient speakers ever.
As far as I know, recently lang siya.
Ano yung pinakita natin last time? Yung Loud Bastard?
Yeah.
Kasi yun, wala namang
Binabato lang niya lang channel niya. Ito talaga, may actual technology that's happening.
So you charge this
using a
micro USB.
Yeah. Pero pwede ka pa rin gumamit ng audio jack mo just in case.
Just in case gusto mo gamitin. Actually, meron nga dito sa side, meron siyang audio in, micro USB, tapos power.
Ang problem lang natin yun, hindi natin alam kung saan siya binibenta at kung
Okay, tama yun. Hindi namin alam magkano to at hindi rin namin alam saan mo pwedeng bilhin.
We will tweet this.
Dahil pinadala lang sa amin to.
Once we find out.
So as soon as we find out kung saan nabibili to at magkano, ipapaalam namin sa
according sa ibang stores, this is $80.
$80. Magkano?
Hindi naman sama yun.
3,000.
3,000. Pwede na.
Papabili nga ako niya.
Pero ayos siya. But anyway, again, so this is the Touch Play Near Field Audio Speaker or NIRFA.
NIRFA.
It sounds
Near Field Audio.
NIMFA or something.
Oo nga eh. So abangan niyo yan. Pag nalaman namin kung saan nabibili to at magkano, balikan namin kayo. Okay, now before we get to our guest, of course we have two special guests from Novo 7 Tech. Very special. Nag-guest na sila. One pala. Meron lang ako ipapakita kasi nanggaling ako Singapore nung
Oo nga, nakita ko yan. You were tweeting about it last week.
Wala kasi masyadong cases ng iPad Air here in the Philippines right now. So I took the opportunity to get one. So ito yung ZAG folio case.
Wow.
Ng iPad Air. So manipis siya, chiclet yung keyboard. Wow. Pag nagiging green, no? Para lalabas si Sada ko.
Sada.
Ano, wow.
Tapos ako lalabas.
Okay, si Isa. Anyway, so yung maganda sa kanya, maganda yung keyboard, okay yung size, masarap mag-type dito. May mga specific function keys for the iPad. Backlit yan, so pwede mong i-on. Hindi ko lang alam paano buksan yung ilaw. So, someday I will figure it out. Of course, it connects via, ayun, paano ito ginawa yun?
Ayun. Ilaw.
Tipakulong.
Tagal lang ginagamit ni Carlo, hindi niya alam.
Oo, meron palang light bulb, oh. O, iba tayo na.
Hindi, adjustment ng settings.
Ay, ang galing, oh. Tinan mo.
3 levels of brightness.
Oh, diba? You learn something new every day. And to think, araw-araw ko ito tinitingnan. O, diba?
So, Carlo, ano mga nagagamit mo sa kanya? I mean, nagagamit mo siya for vlogging or?
Ay, this one is really more for typing or pag nagda-notes. Kasi wala naman vlogging app for for the iPad eh. Kaya nga mas, in a way, mas gusto ko pa rin ng Windows. So, ayan, hindi lang ako nagpapakute. Gusto ko talaga, mas gusto ko talaga pag tablet Windows. It makes more sense. Kasi as a vlogger, at least dito, pwede ko talaga i-access yung WordPress. Right. But anyway, but still, ganyan, gusto ko mag-notes or gagawa ko ng mga reports.
WordPress app sa ano?
Oh, but it sucks.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, yung kinagandahan nito, other than the keyboard, manipis siya, you know. Kahit isara mo, manipis pa rin. Di ba yung iba medyo makapal tingnan? Ito manipis pa rin siya. Dahil of course, manipis yung iPad mismo eh. Manipis yung iPad.
The thing I like about this is yung finish.
Grabe, ang nipis
yung cover niya.
Oo. Tsaka yung finish niya medyo leatherish. Parang ano yung dashboard ng kotse.
Medyo social.
Di ba? Parang dashboard ng kotse. So matibay. Pati yung likod, ganun no? Tapos ang mangyayari dito sa side, nandito yung micro USB.
To charge it.
Power on. Oh, to charge the...
So may battery din to?
The keyboard.
Yung keyboard.
Bluetooth eh.
So pwede mo patungan ng baso.
Diba? Tapos mabilis lang alisin, no? Pinari, kailangan mo na alisin dahil ayaw mo nakadock. Parang hugutin mo lang. Yan. Diba? Tapos naka-alis na si iPad Air. Tada! Wala ba baterya?
Pati ng iPad Air.
Oh, yan.
Kuya!
Diba? But anyway, so yan ang ZAG folio case. It's not yet available in the Philippines, but you can get it in Singapore for 169 Singapore dollar. So that comes out to around 5,900 pesos if I'm not mistaken. For what I heard though, marami nang may interest na dalhin to dito. So siguro it's just a matter of time before we see it. Malay mo, here at Beyond the Box, sana, Charlie, kung nakikinig ka.
Alam mo naman sila, laging una dito sa Beyond the Box. And they have the best prices.
Correct, tama.
And by the way, they're open 24 hours until the new year.
Yeah, pag weekends. So again, this is the ZAG.
Pagkarinig ko, sad.
Okay, folio case for the iPad Air. Okay, we'll take a quick break. Tapos when we get back, we have our special guest, Mr. Adrian Lim from Novo 7 Tech, who'll talk about, of course, yung unbox natin last week, yung i5 Mini 3.
Correct.
And yung War Machine, yung DHL W8S. I've actually been able to use both devices na for well over a week. So mukhang maganda yung discussion natin kasi more or less familiar na tayo. Okay, so let's take a quick break.
Hi. They say nothing in this world is free, and for the most part, that's true. But here at NMF Network, all shows are indeed 100% free. And as an added feature, you have the option to subscribe to all your favorite programs, also at no charge. Why should you subscribe? By subscribing, you no longer have the hassle of delays when you stream the program. You also don't need to keep checking our site to see if your favorite programs are up because they'll automatically be uploaded to your device as soon as it's available. Here's how to do it. For those people with Apple mobile devices, first you need to download the podcast app. Once you download the podcast app, open it, and you should be taken to the featured page. Now, you look for the store button. Hit the store button, and after doing that, hit the search button. Put your cursor on it and type New Media Factory. All our shows should automatically appear. Pick your favorite or favorites, open it, and hit subscribe. And that's it, you're done. Congratulations and welcome to the New Media Factory family.
Oh, malaki pero lumipis. Ay! Okay, so we're joined today by Mr. Adrian Lim, IT Director. Tama ba? Okay. Of course, si Adrian was able to join us a few weeks back when we first took a look at the Monkey King. W11 Monkey King.
Yes.
Which, by the way, has been getting a lot of positive comments on Unbox. People are very, very happy with it. So baka dapat tingnan nyo yung comments doon. Happy sila sa quality ng pictures, sa display, sa overall speed.
Parang upgrade din ng readers ng Unbox.
Yeah, actually, nagre-reply nga si Adrian sa
nagre-reply ka ba?
comments sa mga ibang trends. Nakamonitor ako eh.
Congratulations, at least
thank you.
They're very happy with the quality of the products. No? So let's kick things off. No? We have the War Machine. So pakita natin. So we have one here.
Well, that's the black. This is the white version. Sorry, Will. Naka-power bank.
Zoom in.
Pwede ba natin zoom in yan? Yon.
So,
ngayon, yung black, hindi na yan yung launcher ng
default launcher.
Default na nag-vanilla na siya dahil restart ko siya. But
there you go.
Yan ganda. Now people are probably thinking, medyo kamukha niya tayo. S3. Pero don't make you think na it's one of those kinds of phones na kinokopy lang yung design for the sake of copying.
Yes.
Kasi for example, let me just share Adrian, before you chime in. Ako, when I was testing it, while yung curves ng S3 na present, kumbaga, it's not necessarily an exact copy kasi kung titignan mo yung harap, mas manipis yung bezel. Right. Mas maganda yung quality ng screen. Yung likod niya mas curved, so mas masarap hawakan. Mm-hmm. Diba? Tapos yung likod niya, kung titignan mo, yung pattern is actually similar naman to another phone. Well, at least for this one, yung P770 na Lenovo, na gusto ko rin naman yung finish. So kumbaga, it took the best of both worlds.
And put it in one phone. A bit of everything.
Oo. So, it's very, very easy to hold in one hand. While there are available cases for it, I would actually prefer to use it without one. Kasi medyo kumakapal. Pero pag walang case, saktong-sakto lang sa kamay, no? Now, let's review lang quickly the
specifications.
The specs. Ano yung screen niyan ulit?
It's a 5-incher Full HD, 1900 by 1080p.
Okay, so 5 inches siya. Tapos it runs, of course, on a turbo quad-core processor with, ito yung paborito ko, 2 gig RAM. So yes. At least, in terms of multitasking, kung marami kayong gagawin, kaya i-support. Dahil malaki yung memory niya. Speaking of memory, of course, one of the biggest selling points of this is meron siyang 32 gig internal storage.
Out of the box.
Yeah, na expandable pa. So pwede mong i-download yung buong
season ng
ano bang season?
Ano ba pinapanood nyo ngayon?
Walking Dead, mga
Walking Dead.
Hindi ako paborito ko ngayon, Mentalist.
Okay.
Pero maganda siya. But anyway,
namili ng season.
Pwede nyo i-download. Ayan, pakita natin. Yan, expandable pa rin siya. That's what the back looks like.
SIM 1, SIM 2, then on the right. On your right is the micro SD slot.
Tapos yung baterya, tatak THL pa. By the way, I also saw, it also comes with
a spare
battery.
Yes.
So, in the box, pag buksan nyo, meron na talagang isa pang baterya. Diba? So, ang gawin nyo na lang doon, keep it both charged. Kasi at least di ka na maubusan. Mm-hmm. Diba? Is that something that's usually given by THL? Kasi diba there was also one phone, I think it was the W100.
Yes, exactly the same one. Well, for all of THL designed phones, all those who are user replaceable, except for the W11, they all have the extra THL battery. Mm-hmm. In this case, this is 2000 mAh lithium ion, so it comes with 2 of them.
So it's standard already
It's standard. Except for the W11, which is non-user replaceable.
Pero you should come up with yung an accessory na meron ganun yung Samsung, yung
it can charge the battery itself. Actually, we're coming up with something like that come next year.
Yun. Sigurado ako bibenta yun kasi syempre people ayaw naman nila papalit-palit ng baterya to charge. Pero if there's something that they can slot it in, saksak.
Yes. It will be a lot more convenient.
Diba? Tapos, kamusta ba yung reception ng market? Is this already out?
Yes, it's actually out already in the market and it's doing pretty well. One of the most popular selling points here, aside from the generous storage and RAM, is the protection, because it's already Gorilla Glass 3 protection. So that's one of
They're pulling out all the stops for this phone.
Wow. Yeah. And to think, this is just again, ulitin ko yung SRP niya. The SRP is 12,495.
Yes.
90-95?
95.
Okay, 95. O, diba? So, mura siya kung isipin niyo, lalo na given the value. Ulitin ko lang para baka lang kasi hindi nagsisink in Kasi usually, mga Pilipino, pag nakita nilang 12,000,
medyo
zone out na.
Gumagana ng 5 digits.
Gumagana na yan, 12,000. Ulitin ko lang kasi usually, ang mga nasa 12,000 na telepono, unang-una sa lahat, malamang 4 to 8 gig lang ang storage. Kung 16 gig man, hindi expandable.
Yes.
Diba? Ang scratch resistant nila usually is just Dragon Trail. Dragon Tail pa? Dragon Trail? Dragon Tail. This one is Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Hindi 2, not 1, but 3.
The one with NDR.
Native damage resistance. Native damage resistance. Pag nagasgas siya, hindi ganun kahalata.
Hindi naman siya self-healing.
Hindi. Wala pa tayo sa ganung level.
Lupit nun, self-healing glass. Diba?
Pero yun yung para pag nagasgas, at very up close, may kita mo. Pero syempre, pag malayo, hindi na.
Well, siguro, almost invisible. One way to find out.
Whoa!
So, I don't know.
Paano pinapasok to?
Mas kinabahan ako may kutsilyo siya.
Anyway, as you can see here, I'm using my pocket knife here.
Pwede mo natin zoom in?
Pocket knife. Pakita mo yung pocket knife.
Paano naging pocket knife yan, sir? Parang self-defense na yan
Not really. I have bigger versions.
Bigger version of that?
This is my portable version.
Grabe! Dapat yan yung ipakita natin sa unbox, yung mga kutsilyo mo.
So if you see this guy in public,
takot kayo. Huwag nyo na subukan.
Not mess with him.
Normally kasi I bring this for handling customer complaints. Just kidding.
Baka ma-DTI tayo.
Hindi. Kasi di ba nagpapabukas minsan ng THL-W11?
So this is one of my tools to open that.
Diba?
Bakit ang hirap i-open? So I use this as a open.
Tapos hihiramin mo yung cellphone nila. Tinan mo, yan, madali mo sila.
Well, in fact, actually, I used this same knife with our earlier versions ng Mini 2. I dropped this knife from standing height down on the floor.
Kinaya?
Hindi nag-breaking screen for 2 times.
Wow.
Tumusok sa paanong customer.
Hindi naman.
Testing. But anyway, so other than Gorilla Glass 3, of course, we also have to mention na yung 2 gig RAM nga. A lot of other phones in this price range still use 1 gig. And the 2 gig RAM is important because yung display nito is full HD. Diba? So kailangan mo yung turbo quad-core plus the 2 gig RAM to be able to properly push all the pixels.
Alam ko hindi naman directly comparing, pero it looks like it's an S4 on the body of an S3. Parang ganun yung...
Pwede na rin.
Don't forget, it's also 441 PPI.
That's pixel density.
Actually, tingnan mo lang naman yung display. Actually, I remember, minsan pumunta ako office, yung nakapatong na siya sa lamesa. Tapos naka-on, tapos naka-max yung brightness. Feeling mo talaga nakapatong na yung icons. Parang lumalabas na siya sa display.
3D na siya.
Diba? So, other than that, of course, it has 13 megapixels na camera. I was able to do a few test shots. Check nyo na lang yung unbox page. But it's one of the better 13 megapixel cameras. In fact, it's much better than a lot of 18 megapixel cameras that people are claiming that they have. Quick 101 lang ang 18 megapixels, ang megapixels po hindi yan yung baterya ng lahat. Diba? In fact, sa totoo lang, kung meron ka 5 megapixel camera, pwede ka na kumuha ng shot para sa billboard Ganun ka. Ang 5 megapixels.
Pero not sa magazine. Iba yung detail sa magazine.
Technically, yes.
Kaya pa rin, technically. Pero yun nga, depende sa lighting mo at kung gaano kaganda yung optics. So yung kinaganda nito based on our tests, maganda talaga yung kuha niya. So ibig sabihin, hindi lang yung megapixel, but yung quality nung camera mismo, nung sensor, nung lens.
Sa manufacturers talagang pataasan lang ng numbers, tapos may base eh.
Meron iba dyan, 13 megapixel nga, hirap naman pagbukas.
Or yung naglalag,
yeah, diba? Super lag na.
Ayan o.
Or lalo yung mga 41 megapixels, mabagal kumuha.
Ay, hindi naman na-hurt.
Well, actually,
si 1020 na-hurt.
Well, a lot of people didn't know, no? Come the camera app, it comes with a lot of customized icons here. Like, for example, it supports HDR. It has a magic camera app, panoramic, multi-angle, sceneries, a smile capture camera, which is also always a winner. So, for example, no? So, I won't be pressing anything, no? So, just smile.
Carlos, smile.
Wow.
Whoa!
Automatic. So, yan.
May maganda pa rin beautification.
So, automatic. Kung ano.
Papayat ba ako pag beautification?
Meron na yung camera 360 yung
not on the front. Not on sa primary camera. If you tap on the one with the icon here.
Ako na naman, iba naman picturean niyo si Paolo.
Si Paolo na naman.
Tap on that one first. There.
Hindi, auto smile. Yung beautification.
Beautification. Sorry. Dun sa magic wand. Yeah, that one.
Pagkuha mo, ayan na, pinost process niya.
Pakita mo yung post-process.
Ano, yan yung original.
Yan yung original.
Pangit ko pa rin eh.
Uy, kuminis ang balat.
Yes.
Wala pimples. Pakita mo sa camera. Pero zoom in
natin.
Yan yung original.
That's the original.
Ay, nagre-reflect yung light.
Reflect. So, this is the...
Definitely hindi ako ganyan kapag.
Ito yung original. Ito yung beautified. Pero basically, ang difference is ni-minimize yung pores, yung mga imperfections.
Yes.
Diba? Pero hindi ka papayat.
Bakit mo gusto mo?
Matinding Photoshop na yun.
Matinding Photoshop na yun.
Yung mga ginagano ni Jawline.
Actually, you can set it on. You can adjust. You can see here, merong smoothness,
may
medium,
settings.
Skin color, and sharpness.
Paano nila
modify. So, on every mode, you can tap on every mode up here. You can tap on the lower left corner of the screen, the one with the settings. And then select the camera and
pretty much testing yan.
Ayun, face beauty.
Walang better cheekbones, jawline, ganun.
Wala pa naman, wala pa yata.
Pero pag minax out mo, some have bigger eyes. You know, yung mga ibang girls, they prefer that. Google eyes.
Duck face.
Duck face.
In fact, meron din tong sa recorder, which is real-time ang editing niya. So, for example, the effects, no? Okay. I'll just, sige, big mouth tayo. So, for example, real time while you're recording.
Oo nga, no?
Ayun. Real time while you're recording, if you can say something, Mr. Carlo. Ayan. So, real time. Yan.
And this comes with the standard default camera app.
Oh my God, that's a scary picture.
Medyo freaky eh.
Okay, i-delete yan. Pakita natin. Pero wala zoom in. Simula ako sa simula. Ayan, naka-zoom in. Katakot oh. Grabe. Anyway, kung gusto nyo mang-trip, diba? At least pwede nyo
so people can have loads of fun with this camera.
Oh, and that's real-time effect, no?
That's
so habang kinukuha mo kanina.
Yes, talagang applied na agad.
So is that a custom feature for THL or?
Well, actually, all of the THL phones they come with, even the 00-100.
Okay, I missed that. But it's fun. It's really nice.
Yeah, it's really fun.
So again, more than just your usual 13 megapixel camera. Ngayon may mga nagtatanong, and siguro you would be in the best position to answer. Sabihin natin, I have the budget, mga 12.5.
Okay.
What should I go for? The Monkey King or this one? Yung Monkey King na may 32 gig storage, or should I go for this one? Kumbaga, which one is for me? Sabihin natin, but I have the budget.
Okay.
So, budget is not a question. I can afford either one. Pero, ano ba yung usage habit, sabihin natin na to, that will say na mas bagay yan sa akin versus the Monkey King?
Well, of course, first of all, there are now two versions of the Monkey King.
Okay.
Wow.
Sorry. Well, the newest version that just arrived is the one that's already 2 gig RAM and 32 gig ROM. That is also expandable. But the thing
2 gig na rin yung RAM?
Yes, and also Gorilla Glass 3 ang protection.
Oh, wow.
Same body and everything.
Same body and everything. But the thing is, the problem with Monkey King, it's not user replaceable. So there are the 2 screws beneath that needs to be done by a skilled technician.
So if you want to replace the battery...
Yes, and the SD card inside.
So may SD card na sa loob.
Yes, it's also expandable. Well, we've tried and tested 64GB na Class 10. It was able to read.
Wow, okay yun.
Class 10, ultra high speed.
Panalo.
So no problem with that. So roughly you can get around 96GB of usable storage here.
Dami nun na.
So well, yun nga, going back to your question, for people who really love selfies, 13-megapixel shooter, then go for the Monkey King.
I remember the review when I wrote it. The front camera of the Monkey King outperformed the primary cameras of a lot of other phones. So that's a really good sign. No? Panalo talaga siya.
On the other hand naman, for those who would love hot swappable expandable storage, well, you go for the W8S because as I open the back, as you can see here, the memory card slot here, the SD card, is hot swappable. So you can easily take it out and put back one in any media, then it will read it right away. So ito lang naman yung few advantages. It's easy hot swapping of the memory card and the battery itself.
Pero for some people kasi that's a big thing na they can swap the SD cards and the battery. So I guess yun talaga yung magiging draw. May question lang ako.
Yes.
Yung War Machine na name, is that local or is it something na talagang...
Actually, it's something we've cooked up with brainstorming with the marketing director of THL in China.
So bakit siya War Machine?
Actually, because when you look at War Machine, diba? Well, everybody knows Iron Man. It's like it has all the weapons. And it's more than enough. Right? So all the weapons that people, diba? Like yung sinabi nung the black guy, I want all of them. I'll take all of them. So we have all of them. So I won't name the actor lang yun. So I forgot his name.
Rhodey. Basta si Rhodey.
Say Rhodey, yeah. I mean the actor himself. So it has everything: the protection, the RAM, the built-in, the robustness, the camera, and pretty much the whole package. And would like to add na rin, so the new version of the War Machine, aside from the expandability storage, we just received a new firmware from THL that will already activate the OTG support. So aside from the built-in 32, the expandable na up to another 64GB, people can also enjoy the OTG function. So you can read USB drives on the fly.
Talagang may violent tendencies kayo. No? War Machine, may dalang kutsilyo. Oh my God.
You should see my nunchucks collection.
Grabe. But anyway, again, that's the THL W8S War Machine. At suggestion lang yung case na pinakita sa akin ni Oli, Iron Man, hindi War Machine. Dapat isakto niyo naman, di ba? Kung pangalan niya War Machine, yung case, si War Machine.
Actually I'm going to spoil something na lang. We're coming up with 2 new secret models ng THL. That's the date is not yet definite.
Dapat yan,
but it will be a big bang then, really surprise. And one of them, they wanted to name it Iron Man. So
baka lang
na. So not yet.
Trademark
tsaka with Alcatel kasi sa Alcatel is aggressively, hindi naman aggressively, they try to market yung
Marvel.
I forgot the model. Yung Idol Ultra, the very thin one. Tapos
they partner with
talagang may official yun So
yung nga kaya nga in China ilan mo naman mga tao doon. Pero still
Tony Stark na lang kayo. kasi yung alam ko nakuha nilang trademark was for Iron Man. Hindi Tony Stark.
Kaya Robert Downey.
HTC naman nahabol sa kanila.
The RDJ phone.
The RDJ phone. Alam mo kung sino panalo? Ito talaga may benta. Pangalanan yung Van Damme. Diba?
Commercial yung Volvo.
Have we shown people that yet?
Astig yun.
Pero malamang napanood na nila yun.
Hindi pa kami mga hindi pa
Mga 8 to 9 million. Pinakita ba natin last time? Yung split?
Yung nag-reverse in trucks.
Grabe yun, no? Dipit. Kaya ko kaya yun? What?
Yung mga tanong sa sarili.
yung truck pa lang yata, hindi na ako kaya. But anyway, so again, this is the THL W8S 12,495. Available already in THL kiosks and other gadget stores.
Level 7 shops, yes.
Okay, so sa mga naghahanap, check this one out. And of course, we have the i5 Mini 3. So, we have them there also. But
yes, I brought my own. Well, this is the earlier prototypes that we brought in. I've been using this for roughly 2 months now. So,
okay, bakit mo ang Windows?
Ilabas mo nga si Tatay. Hindi, joke lang.
Ayan. Oh, ayan. So, this is the i5.
Oops.
Not to be confused with the...
Andyan yung Van Damme? Oh wait, play natin yung Van Damme.
Okay, Van Damme. Mag-break muna tayo.
Van Damme muna tayo.
Tama na.
I've had my ups and downs, my fair share of bumpy roads and heavy winds. That's what made me what I am today. Now I stand here before you. What you see is a body crafted to perfection. A pair of legs engineered to defy the laws of physics, and a mindset to master the most epic of splits.
The next level of splitting.
Win na tayo. Okay, game. So, kailangan namin pakita. So, balik tayo sa i5 Mini 3.
Yep.
So, can we just get a shot of it first before we talk about it? So, again, that's the i5 Mini 3. Of course, yung pinaka-obvious at pinaka-unang sabihin ng mga tao is, hey, it looks like an iPad Mini.
Di naman.
Diba? But ngayon, yung comment na it looks like it's an iPad Mini is actually a good thing.
It's not
diba?
It's not an insult, it's a compliment.
It's not an insult, it's a compliment. Why is it a compliment? Because hello, makagawa ka lang ng katawan na ganyan at salpakan mo ng Android, maganda na yun. Diba? Kasi it's lightweight, it's very thin. In
actually
fact,
thinner.
It's thinner than the iPad Mini. Yeah. And it's just it's a joy to hold with one hand. Yun yung gusto ko sa kanya. Ang sarap gamitin. Nasa Singapore ako, yun yung ginamit ko sa aeroplano.
Yan?
Yan to. Yung dala ko to.
Medyo na-perfect ang Apple talaga yung small tablet
na
design
form factor. Speak of which, pwede pa yung Apple na case.
Yes. Actually, this one is an Apple case.
Actually,
yung iPad Mini.
Pumunta talaga ako ng store sa Gateway. Sir, pwede dyan yung iPad
Mini case.
Gumanda talaga ako.
Ngayon, of course, yung main difference dito is unang-una sa lahat, this is much cheaper. 8,595.
595.
And at the same time, it runs Android.
Jelly
Now, of course, there are benefits to having Android over iOS. That's a major episode altogether which one is better. But for some people who prefer Android, of course, the customizability, expandability, kung ayaw mo na mag-convert to MP4,
ayaw mo nang gumamit ng iTunes,
download mo, diba, salpak mo na lang dyan. So marami rin naman talagang benefits ang
pros and cons, of course.
16GB internal.
16 GB internal.
Which is the same as the iPad Mini.
May may storage option sa taas.
Yes, micro SD
card. And in terms of specs, I'll quickly go over it lang. It has a 1.6 GHz quad-core processor, Rockchip RK3188 chipset.
Correct.
Can you explain kung bakit yun yung kinuha yung chipset? Kasi yun yung number one question. Ano yan?
Well, okay. Rockchip right now in China is one of the most prominent chip manufacturers for tablets. Actually, a lot of
talaga for tablets.
Yes, a lot of the China branded tablets are now using Rockchip. So one thing that they fall short is comparing to a MediaTek processor, which are powering a lot of the smartphones now, is it doesn't have a built-in modem in the SoC.
So kaya hindi siya 3G.
Yes. But actually, come next year, there's already a prototype that we're testing, but not yet here in the Philippines, that will be powered by a Qualcomm chipset. Snapdragon.
Siyempre may tumawag sa akin sa gitna ng show. Life is good. Okay.
Sino yung sagutin natin?
Okay, tapos?
Ayan, so the Qualcomm Snapdragon powered will be, of course, supporting a full call and text function. But right now,
on a form factor?
On a 7.9 form.
On a 7?
Huwag ka na Wag ka na kumontra eh. Kaya din sa Asus meron eh.
Parang gusto ko yung idea.
Tadya kita dyan.
Grabe naman. Hindi naman ako dalawang.
Kayo nga yung nagpasimuno ng phone pad. At least ito discreet pa sa pangalan.
Hindi kasi gusto ko yung ganyang kalipis.
Phone pad. Di ba?
Okay na. Dinefend niya nga.
Love you, Iso.
Short talk. Galit si Iso. Hindi na babalik yan next week.
Okay, but anyway, so I just have one comment. I've been able to try it. In terms of media consumption and usability, okay siya. But just keeping it real, yung concern ko lang talaga is in terms of graphics. Pagdating sa gaming, there are some games na medyo nahirapan siya. Which is kind of mind-boggling kasi if you run it through Antutu, the benchmark test,
is better.
It goes up to 18,000. Very high.
That's not bad,
Well, it's actually very good. Pero sabihin natin, I try playing NBA 2K14. Actually, yun yung ginawa kong game. Medyo may konting stutter.
Hiccups.
Pero then again, isipin mo nga, this is 8,500. You can't really complain.
It's not a high-end gaming device, pero
But everything else ran
nice
well. So, kunyari, Plants vs. Zombies 2. And that's one of the more popular games. Yun, okay siya. So, more or less medyo...
Well, exactly the same sentiments as I have now. But the thing is, when you question the RAM that was installed to this device, the supplier...
Uy, Paolo.
It's okay. Actually, the supplier, the engineer, told me that they weren't able to fit in another 1 gig RAM because of the design constraint.
So it's a RAM thing.
It's a RAM thing. Because this has a bigger brother, the X2, sharing the same processor and the same chipset, but it's running 2 gigs RAM.
So it's a RAM issue.
It's a RAM issue. So with the X2 kasi, we can play 2K14 flawlessly, no problem.
So it's a bigger device or it's the same format?
Actually, this is 7.9, the X2 is 8.9.
Okay.
So 1 inch bigger and 7,000 milliampere
That's not a bad size because I've tried 8.9-inch devices.
Okay. So again, this is the i5. Before we forget that, this has a 5 megapixel camera at the back.
Yes.
And a 2 megapixel camera at the front. So if you want to do video calls. Pero ako, I enjoyed it the most for the fact that it's very portable. It's great for watching movies, reading and browsing. Favorite app ko dyan, Pulse, on that form factor. Di ba yung reader app? So kayo guys, make sure you download it. Okay, so again, it sells for
8,595.
Okay, so available already in stores, no?
Yes.
Yep. In Novo 7 Tech stores and kiosks. Okay, wala pa rin maki-store sa
SM.
Actually, meron na. We have.
Meron kayo doon?
Small.
Yeah.
We have few months ago.
Hindi ko alam yun.
But right now we're constructing for BF Homes Paranaque, SM BF Homes, the newest mall. And then
SM walang katapusan magtayo, no?
Yes, and SM South Mall.
Parang every other month may bagong SM.
Come April may bago pa sila in Cagayan.
Oh my God.
Henry C. 111.
Sari-sari store mo, supermarket na yun.
Oo nga eh. Alam mo, matatakot ako kung magkaroon ng SM bonus Android phone.
Grabe yan.
Uy, mag-ingat kayo kasi
bagsak presyo.
SM has a penchant for doing that. Ay, sponsor mo natin.
Don't give them ideas.
Hindi kasi naman binibili nila yung mga ibang brands.
Hindi, tsaka may commission kami dyan pag ginawa na SM.
May CDR King 3D printer na nga eh.
Pucha.
Nakita ko yun, 100,000. 3D printer na CDR King.
Pero nakakatakot kasi
7 days warranty.
But anyway, so again, thanks Adrian for gracing the show. I'm sure a lot of the people are watching later kasi dito live. Di ba? May sira internet namin. So, na-record lang. To those who are watching this are very, very interested in the products that we showed. So to wrap things up, we actually have a few more minutes. Meron lang 2 more things na gusto pakita. Una sa lahat, nasa may telepono.
Sabi Steve Jobs, one more thing.
Oo nga, yung telepono, papakita ko lang. Let me just invite everybody to, pwede ba natin i-zoom in? To download the new Unbox app for Android. Diba? So, pagpunta kayo dito, yan, there's already an app. It's working. So, it's basically a reader. So, nandyan lahat ng latest episodes. Nandito din lahat ng episodes ng podcast.
Wow.
So all the episodes of the podcast are here. Pwede kayo mag-scroll. When you click an episode, it opens a window on YouTube, then you get to watch.
Makoy, yung mga legs niya, lo.
Oo, but
dapat may highlight reel nun eh.
Highlight reel. Diba? Tapos all the episodes are here. As you can see, I mean all the articles. Dito yung Facebook. Kung may questions kayo, you can post your questions there. So it's free. I think more than several hundred downloads na already on the Google Play Store.
Not bad.
So it's doing well. Yay! O, diba? So at least meron na kaming app na pwede yung pagmalaki. iOS is coming next week. So we have an iOS app for both iPhone and Android, which already shows our latest content and at the same time, the latest episodes of the podcast. Oh, Nax.
I'm downloading it right now.
Oh, diba?
But is that, naka-embed YouTube or...
Ano, bubuksan niya YouTube. It's primarily a reader app talaga. Pero sinalpak na namin doon lahat na.
Because I don't know kung saan makakount yung yung user.
Okay. Tapos maraming nag-rate ng 5 stars, oh.
500 downloads already.
Ilan yung rating?
Well, so far...
4.9!
Out of
40.
5, no?
40 ratings.
Sino naman yung nag 3 stars?
Hindi kasi yung pictures may issue. But anyway, address na namin. Okay, with that, before, meron pa ba tayong kailangan next week na buksan? Pero, quick announcement before we go. If not next week, the week after, meron kaming unbox award show. Diba? So, we will be awarding the top gadgets, companies that we think, pag-usapan pa namin kung sino yung mananalo.
Yung naging top of the year.
Yung naging pinag-usapan mga products. As in literally, magbibihis kami ng coat and tie.
Talaga?
Oo naman. Tapos tatayo tayo dito, tapos meron tayong podium. Tapos invite natin yung mga nanalo to accept their... Papagawa ko ng plaque sa SM. Yung J&J
yung mga medal na lang generic.
Huwag naman generic. Kamay na may cellphone. But anyway, so that's either next week or the week after, depending on the timing. But mamimigay kami ng awards to the companies who we think deserve it. So kumbaga just recognition lang. For their good job. Kasi may malaking value or nothing, but hey! Okay, with that, again, thanks Adrian.
Well, thank you.
Hindi nyo na nakikita, Ollie is also here from Novo 7 Tech. Paolo, Ison, and Alora.
Don't forget, you'll see her sa Market on the 29th to the 1st Technostore.
Okay, at next week, abangan ninyo, naman tayo, Star Mobile. O, diba? Ang dami.
Yung billboard ko sa isa.
Peace. Thank you.